record video.
So this is the Rote mechanical keyboard. It's a light up keyboard. I've just plugged it in. This is my old keyboard up here. This is a Cytec Eclipse 2. So it is a backlight and a few different colors that you can choose between. But at this point it's quite a few years old. It was time to upgrade. We're going to look at some of the features, run over some of the settings. When I first plugged it in, I was a little upset that it wasn't glowing right away because I wasn't quite sure what to expect. Thankfully they included a nice little quick start guide and overview in many different languages on how to change the backlight mode, how to turn off the lights, such as a function print screen will turn off the lights. We are going to look at some of the color modes. This is one of the game options that you can see, so it's only lighting up the controls needed for the game. So that was function G5.
And the Magic School Bus came on. And SpongeBob.
So if you hit function G1, it's giving you WASD escape and the arrow keys. G2 gives you another set. G3 another set, G4, G5, so on. We're going to use the function insert, or the INS key, which is up here. We're going to use that to turn on the lights. As you flip through, so function delete will switch the light mode of the mode you have set, or function insert flip through the actual mode. So right now this is the pulsing one, so pulsing green, pulsing blue, pulsing yellow, purple, teal, and white. So if we want to go back to the multicolor, and then I'm going to hit function ins again, and it's switching to the next mode, which is a color fade through all of the colors on the keyboard. And if I do the function delete, you'll see that the fade changes. So this has multiple colors that does a sort of wave, and we'll do, there's a wave of different colors. Another fade effect through all the colors. This one here is it's touch reactive, so depending on the row you touch, it lights up the entire row across. We don't have to hold that down. Let's see. So it gives a nice dynamic. And if I were to switch this mode, it's going to switch to a single color. Okay, now it's green and blue. We'll get back to the multicolor. So there's the multicolor row pulse. So let's go to the next one. Let's try the next one. This is the seizure-inducing mode. See what other options are in this mode. So we have just single color options.
Hey, I'm pushing this.
Can you hold that one down? We're going to go to the next one. Hold that down. This is a slow multicolor fade move through the cycle. And then we have a pulse, which is when you hit a key, it pulses out from that key and sends the colors. And the options on this are also, so you have, that's a multicolor, but it's more of a multicolor wave. And then we also have a single color options, so send in the red, the green, blue, yellow, purple, and the teal. Is that cool? Yeah. White, and then the multicolor again. Go to the next option. Seems like a star field, some sort of twinkling.
Yeah.
And giving a different option on that, it gives a little more crazy running. And if we try, oh, that's, you know, we don't want that. That's a little slower, but all the keys are lit up. And then this mode is just the solid backlight, so you can have a solid color.
In typing God's water.
And the other options in this are just going to be the single color options.
I'm typing my words. Grandma Mandeville.
You're typing?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, good job.
For Grandma Mandeville comes.
Yeah. So this is the wave effect. And again, and now we're back to just one key lighting up as you go. I don't know why the Windows key got stuck, but it did for some reason. There we go. The different modes in this are also the single color modes. So we have the green, the blue, the yellow. There's also over here a brightness and a darkness key that I believe will adjust your settings depending on the option you have. Let's get to a solid setting here. Here we go. So this should turn down the brightness, as you can see, and turn up the brightness. So there you have it. That is the Rotei keyboard and some of the features.